How to log into Netflix account from laptop. Firstly, open the preferred browser. For now, I'm on the Chrome browser. Now, with the help of the web address bar at top of the screen, type in netflix.com. Once you type in netflix.com, press enter on the keyboard and the official page of Netflix account or the applications opens right there. Now, to sign in or log into your particular account, you must have the Netflix account, then only you will be able to log into your account. Now click on the sign in button at top right corner of the screen. On the sign in section, you have to enter all your credentials, that is your email or phone number and the password. Once you have entered all the credentials, click on the sign in button. But if you forget the password, click on the forget password link and easily recover it from there. After that, if you wish to remember the credentials or make it login, then you need to check mark this remember me section. If you haven't yet created any accounts on Netflix, click on this link below and create account. Then after that, you can easily sign in or log into your Netflix applications account. So that's it. That's how we log into our Netflix account. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.